Alright, please.
Please, thank you.
It's just crashed. It's just crashed into a lorry. AD04CMU.
It's Bravo Mike uniform.
No, CMU. Charlie Mike uniform.
Is this please?
Yeah, they're actually dumping the car right now. No, he's not right. Keep filming. We need someone here ASAP. It looks like another car. Oh shit, boys! I've just busted all these guys. They just set the car on fire. I chased them down the street. Look at these smackheads. Smackheads. Just chased them down here, phoned the police. She crashed into the back of a lorry, nearly hit some kids. Fucking Preston's finest. Here we go. Oh man, this is... I'm shaking a little bit because I'm adrenaline rush. Fuck, blasting down the street in the R32, you already know, chasing them. Look at the state of this. Police did a good job. Well done to the police.
The kid is from 6 years the day you get there. My mum lied by that wasn't me. Who was driving? Oh, you seen that kid on it?
Yeah, I got it on film, bro. Got it all on film. Yeah, got your back covered. Ready to go jail, you already know.
Hey, listen, bro. Connor's a new Facebook sent me, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Connor
Robinson.
Connor Robinson.
He's like me, but like, you'll find me in it, bro.
Yeah, okay. Connor Robinson, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. Preston's finest smackhead. And then there he goes. There goes Connor. Stupid enough to give her the name.
Did you see me driving that car?
Oh, explosions going on over there from the micro.
Hey, excuse me. I was not alright. Did you see me in the vehicle? I went in the vehicle.
Oh, Connor's back. I don't know whether he wants to be arrested or if he's just, I don't know, playing cat and mouse. Connor's pretty fast. Connor's gone, but stupid enough to give us his name, Connor Robinson.